Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'll be teaching you how to create a Facebook page using your Android phone. Now you might be wondering, why do I need a Facebook page when I already have a profile? Well, a Facebook page is different from a personal profile and has a lot of advantages over a personal profile. If you want that your content to go viral on Facebook, that is to reach a wider audience, or you want to build your brand or promote your business on Facebook, then you need a Facebook page. Follow me, let me show you a step-by-step guide on how to create one for yourself using just your phone. Open the Facebook app and log into your account. Click on the menu icon. These three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and click on Pages. Next, click on the Create button at the top. After that, click on Get Started. Enter a unique name for your page. It should be a name that represents your brand, business, or the type of content you plan to share. Next, select a category that best describes your page. This should briefly explain what your page is all about. Click on Next. You can choose to add your website information here or skip here if you don't have a website. Next, upload a profile picture and click on Done. You can start posting content to engage with your audience. Please, if you find this video helpful, kindly like and share this video to your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop a new video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.